Hey everyone, my name's Alex. I'm here in the technology class. My degree is game design. One thing I learned about game design and also other degrees such as game art and computer animation is that they're all really kind of the same. It's they all kind of work in the same group of the video game because they all supplement each other. How as a game design we create the game, the storyboards, we build the worlds, how the game plays, and everything else like that. Whereas the game art and computer animation are actually adding the effects to that. Like the characters' color, the way they look, the way they move, the way they talk. Just how everything actually moves in the game, whereas we design it and they are actually the ones who actually put it in motion. And with that, I learned that everything, even though we may be taking different degrees, we are almost kind of in the same field because everything we do are pretty much the same thing in a way. We are all one big team, and it's without that, the game probably wouldn't be the way it is. And looking at that, kind of in my, how my future would be in the industry is that, you know, looking at that, just kind of discovering how, other people who are doing like game design or game art and computer animation, like discovering how they do their work can really inspire me to kind of do my work in a way because when I'm seeing how they do, their drawings and computer animation, I can think and be like, hey, I could probably design this to kind of supplement how, they are drawing that animation or, the way they're drawing that character. I can kind of work, the design of the game around how that character is being designed or how they're moving or how something in the world is moving. And, with kind of how our assignments are with going through and discovering what makes these degrees different and similar, I feel like that in my future in the industry will be benefit from others who are taking these other degrees. And going forward, kind of applying the skills and concept of discovering new degrees and stuff is that discovery is the biggest thing that can happen. You can go out and discover things, going through discovering new concepts, new ways to do something, um, just discover something, and it can even happen in school too, because if you discover an easier way to complete assignment, then that's going to be beneficial to you. The biggest thing is to go out and explore different methods, and that's kind of the whole point of this class was to go out and explore new methods, whether it's go out and create a network to explore new professional contacts so you can get hired into your career, going through and discovering new degrees to kind of learn about them and how they can help you. It's just kind of everything kind of goes in one, and the biggest thing about it is just discovering stuff and kind of giving some advice to future students in this class is take that to heart. Go out and discover. Even if it's something that has nothing to do with games or something, it's not even in close to even your career field. Go out and discover because it's one of the things that you'll learn so much about something else that it could actually help you in your degree. And it's one of those things where you can use there's no such thing as too much help. And going through and actually discovering this information, it can definitely benefit you. And talking to your teammates, seeing what they like, seeing what they're doing, see what they've already done, discover who they are, discover what they want to do, and then when you think about it, it's like, wow, I can actually like how they're doing that. I want to do something similar to that. The whole point of this is just exploration. Explore who you are, what you're going to do, um, explore, like if you're having trouble on an assignment, explore other options to do it, make it easier to do the assignment, find a different way of researching, or if you're having trouble creating the assignment, try, discover a new method of making it, like in a different program, or if you're having trouble with time management, discover a time that's beneficial to you. But pretty much, I mean, the biggest thing is with discovery, and I believe that that's going to help pretty much throughout your entire career. Thank you.